If you found this video, it's clear that you understood that you need to change your diet. Keep watching and you'll thank me later.
Hello everyone, this is Nirupama and welcome to Simplify. Today I'm going to talk about the gluten-free diet and if it is a science or a fad. So what is this going gluten-free all about? Is there a science behind it or is it just a fad? I would say both. Let's look at the science part of it first.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.